Hey everyone, it's Hannah from RP Studios again. If you're new to my channel, RP Studios is all about art, DIYs, tutorials, and anything else that is just creative. Alright, let's get into today's video. Today I am going to be showing you guys all of the things I got from my Scarves Thredup rescue box that I ordered a while ago. Now, I've never ordered one of these boxes before, but I wanted to order one because I really wanted to do a DIY with all the scarves that are in the box. I thought it'd be really fun to create something out of all these scarves I got, see what I can make, get my creative juices flowing. So I'm just basically going to be showing you all the scarves that I got in this box and maybe some ideas of what I'm going to do with those. So, this first scarf I got. Honestly, it looks better in camera than it does in real life. I don't know, pink and purple, just not my color, honestly. This is a kind of like a blanket scarf. It's not really soft and it is super sheer. So, this is the first one I got. I don't think I would wear this, so this one is definitely gonna go into my DIY thoughts. I'm not sure what to do with it yet, but this is the first one I got. Alright, next scarf. I'm a little more excited about this. It is a red and black plaid infinity scarf. Honestly, this one looks really warm for winter and just, oh, love the colors. They scream like Christmas and winter and snow. Honestly, I have a scarf that is already really close to this one, so I don't know if I'll be wearing it, but this material is really nice. It's felt, so I know I could definitely do something with this. I was maybe thinking creating a scarf for my dog. If you guys don't know, I have a dog. Her name is Ellie. She has 3 legs. She has an Instagram too. It's at Ellie the Trio, so go and follow her if you want. But yeah, I was thinking that I could use this scarf to make something for her, and it would be really cute for the holidays and winter time. Next, this one is probably the one I was most weirded out by, just because I'm like, how is this a scarf? It's literally like this. It's this very like shiny black velvety material. It's super stretchy, but it's kind of, it's just like too short to be a scarf. So this is another one that I'm like, I don't think I could actually wear this as a scarf, and honestly it kind of seems like, oh wait, I get it. There's a hole right here and you just do that. This isn't really my style. This is kind of like elegant going to the gala in the winter scarf. So yeah, styling, let's go. I don't think that I would wear this personally. It maybe seems kind of more like a kid's scarf too, which I guess is possible because they didn't really specify what kind of scarves are going to be in here. So this is another one that I might be able to turn into a DIY, but I'm so lost on this one. I have no idea, you guys. Let me know down below like what I should make with these scarves, because I need to make something, that's for sure. Oh, I don't know if I've mentioned yet, but this box was $10 and $5 for shipping, so $15 total, and I think you get 12 scarves. So honestly, it's really cheap, even if you only like 1 or 2 scarves. It already pays for the cost of the box. This next one I got is a like yarn knitted dark and light blue scarf here. It's not an infinity scarf, it's just a regular scarf. Now this one I actually kind of like. See, I think the reason, oh, it's from Old Navy, okay. It's an Old Navy scarf. This one I might actually wear as a scarf because I love the color blue. Blue is my favorite color. And yeah, I don't have a blue scarf, so that'll be interesting. I think I'm gonna actually wear that one as a scarf. Okay, next I have this hot pink, you guys, hot pink sheer scarf from Target. This is another one. I'm definitely not gonna wear this as a scarf. So I'm gonna have to figure out a DIY for this one as well. Bright pink, and also it's kind of winter, so I don't know if bright pink and scarves go together because I feel like that's more of a summer thing. This one is probably the worst one in the box here. This next one is this infinity scarf. I mean, the idea of an infinity scarf is good. I like the color blue, but this pattern is just, it just doesn't go well. It's just kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie. If you like it, sorry, I don't mean to offend you, but. So, I really don't know what to do with this one either because I don't know if I even like it enough to make a DIY out of it because either way the pattern's going to be in it and I don't even think I like the pattern, so I don't know if I'm actually going to do anything with this one. This scarf is super, super funny because it's literally a like ship navy themed scarf. This one is more of like a neck scarf, bandana type of situation. The brand I think was like ripped off. Like, I don't know, this kind of looks like one of those fancy scarves you put on a purse or something. So I don't know, it could be worth something. This is another one I'm kind of clueless with. I'm just thinking very 4th of July. Seems very 4th of July. So maybe I could do something with that later. Who knows? Okay, next one. This box actually got here like a few days after Halloween, so I was kind of upset because this scarf would have been perfect to put on my dog for Halloween. It's a cute little orange and bat scarf. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. But yeah, I might save this for next Halloween. Do a DIY with that or just save it so my dog can wear a scarf because, you know, for some reason I just want to put my dog in a scarf or something. I don't know. Next up is this one. It's a very sheer, like it has a bandana pattern. There's lots of tassels on the end. I'm thinking I could do something with all these tassels. Like make something with all these tassels. Maybe like, I don't even know. I can't even think of anything right now, you guys. This box is really stumping my creativity for some reason. Okay, this next scarf I am definitely gonna wear. I really was happy that I got this. It's a cream colored infinity scarf. This is so cute. I love it. I'm definitely gonna wear this. Not gonna do a DIY with this. This one is good the way it is. All right, now, almost done. Next we have this scarf. This one's definitely a little tiny purse scarf. Head scarf or whatever scarf. This one is actually, I was looking it up online and I think you can find it from Macy's. It's actually kind of an expensive brand, so that's cool. I mean, honestly, what my first idea to do with this is just, you know, make it into a headband. That'd be very cute headband, or like even if I sewed it into one of those scrunchies that also had like a scarf coming off at the end, like to put in your hair, that would be super, super cute. So I think I'm gonna do that with that scarf. All right, lastly, I'm so lost. Okay, this is a brown taupe color blanket scarf. This blanket scarf is actually huge. Like, it is super folded up right now. It's super thin, but there's a lot to it. So I'm really lost with this one because part of me wants to kind of wear it, but I don't know how to wear it. Like, let me know down below, how do you wear a blanket scarf? I don't know how to style it. I don't know how to do anything with it. Or should I turn it into a DIY? There is quite a bit of fabric here. One thing I was thinking that I could possibly do is like maybe have this be the base of a throw I could make and just get random kind of squares of fabric and sew it onto that and put it on a couch or something and make a nice throw. So should I do that or should I figure out how to style it? Let me know down below, guys, because I have no idea what I'm doing with scarves. I just know how to wear them regularly. Okay, so that was all of the scarves in the box. I think that was a pretty good value for $15. I think that it's also a very fun surprise. I really love surprises. So to me, I think it was worth it. Let me know what I should do with all of the scarves. And also, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe because I will be making a video next of what I do with all these scarves and what DIYs I turn them into. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified of when that video comes out. Also, I have an Instagram and it's at rpstudiosUS, so you guys should go ahead and follow that. And I do have a blog as well. It's rpstudios.weebly.com, so check that out if you wouldn't mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone who watches these videos and comments. The love is amazing, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.